Yeah, indeed it is. In Charlottesville, we had a magnificent moment here. We had about 45 minutes of solid sunshine here before the sun dipped behind some of the houses here. We're in the Del Rey neighborhood section of Alexandria, Spring Street and Braddock Road, where I can show you, look, we've actually got some dry pavement in a section here. The gentleman who lives in this house, he says it took him several hours today to clear off the sidewalk, to clear off the driveway here. He said he's lived in this house 28 years, and of all the snowstorms he's seen, he said he had never seen a wet, thick, heavy snow as bad as this one right here. Let me take you down Braddock Street, which is actually looking pretty good right now. Found out that just to the north of where we are, in the Northridge neighborhood, they've actually got about 3,700 people without power. It's a good 8 or 9 blocks just to the north of where we are. As I point you across Braddock Road here, you can see some of those pines didn't fare too well. They toppled over and buckled under the weight of this snow. And then you can see the side street over here. This is Spring Street on the other side of Braddock. Plow hasn't gone through here at all yet. There's a plow actually coming down the street here from the neighborhood. But